Gronkowski is just so big. Oh, let me just move out of
TGI Fridays is trash.
No, let me see it. So did they get it or what? So they did intercept, obviously. Right?
I can hold that for so long.